Wait, how did you get down here?
We were just outside and I found a swirling hole, so we jumped in.
It looked like a twirly Fruit Loop.
Oh. I forgot to give Jeff the keys. Oh.
Well, who did Death try to go after?
Your mother.
Mason! Why'd you do this?
I'm the devil. I do whatever the heck I want.
You killed my mother and my friend. It's gonna rain! Hey!
Your funeral starts now.
Hell's already pretty bloody. It's just gonna get bloodier once it's filled.
Bring it on! How could you beat me? Told you it's the right thing!
Nobody's ever gonna find this place again. We're gonna lock it up for good. This place is shut down.
Oh, my head. What? Where'd it go? Where did it go? The key. The key! Where'd it go? Oh, now I'm stuck in this dump. I'll be back. I'll be back.